Hello, the links for the photos for this tutorial are in the video description below. First, go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Then go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and click OK. Now your brush is automatically selected. Open your other photo, hold the Alt key and click here to add a layer mask to the layer while holding the Alt key so that now the layer is hidden. So let's do this again. Hold the Alt key and click here to add a layer mask and hide the layer. Now hold the Control key and click here to add a layer below the layer. And now go to Edit, Fill, and for the contents choose black. Click OK. Now select the layer above and select the layer mask of the layer. Let's increase the brush size to something like 4000 pixels. And let's click some, maybe a little bit less than 3600 pixels for the brush size. And just click somewhere in the center like this. So this is the effect. Let's finally add a hue saturation layer and increase the saturation by dragging the saturation slider. And also select the layer with the photos and go to Filter Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. And the amount is set to 217, and you can see the settings for the radius and so on. Hit OK. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Damien Photoshop channel and to like the video. Bye bye.